2021 Hyundai Palisade key fob. This is how you open it up to replace the battery. The first thing we're going to do is remove the emergency key. Got a button here that we're going to slide to the right, and then we're going to pull out the emergency key at the bottom. Now we're going to open this remote up using a flathead screwdriver. There's a little slot right here, not the slot that the key went in, but right below it there's a little slot. Use this flathead screwdriver and just going to put it in here. It doesn't go very far in. Give it a little twist. Alright, see how it cracked open this little corner right here? That's all I'm looking to do. Just going to stick my fingernail in there like that. Get the flathead screwdriver and pry the rest of it open. Right. Now if you look, here is the battery. It just slides right out on the right here like this. And I'm going to show you what size it is. It's going to be a CR2032 battery with the positive sign facing out towards you. If you need to change it out, you just get your new one, slide it right back in, make sure it's all the way in there. If you need a battery, you can check the description box. I'll have a link down there that takes you to Amazon where you can pick one up. Just get the back half of the remote, click the top in first, and you can work your way down. And you put the emergency key back in, and you're all done.